it's hard. Like, okay, so you see, keep it really straight. Just keep it straight and then since I apply the acrylics and I did it really easy and gentle and just like enough.
Sometimes I just go to her own and she's gonna help order you.
Oh, nice, Chantala. Thank you so much for the love and support. Remember to share with us. If you have any question, let us know, okay? So excited, Chantala. I can't wait to see all your creations. I'm gonna check. I hold this side. Okay, let me compare. It should be good. Almost 2 more hours.
No.
Just kidding.
Just about like that.
Wow.
Yep, looking forward. Chantel gonna do some
Oh,
design for you.
I'm looking forward to that, Chantala. Great. I'm ready to shape them now, to file them. Can you unplug that one, please? The black clipper? Give it to me, just give it to me. There you go.
Oh, they know it. They know it.
Yes. Foxy said Emily has it now.
And this is the first time we're going live with us.
Almost done.
Yep, tell me it takes you 2 more hours, Emily.
Just kidding.
Wow.
Thank you for your hand.
Okay. You can use sand beads for all the beginners. Like sometimes if I do the clients, I also doing a sand beads as well. I'm gonna have to move just a little bit closer to me. And smooth this one out. And this one is really nice. Like if you have one of like just using a fine grit, I think is perfect for the nails. It's not too sharp, and it's not too fine, and then it's perfect for both dipping and Maureen. Hello, how are you? Thanks so much, Maureen. I think it's my...
Okay.
And I'm not getting closer to the cuticles. I'm gonna using other beads. If you have this one, you can do it closer, but I'm being really far away from the camera. I mean, from the hand. How's that getting? I need to get more. I need to move closer. There you go. If you can, we're adjusting it for just a little bit. Much better now. I'm gonna change my beads. Just using like have a smaller side, one of the smaller side of the corn beads right here. Emily, appreciate your patience while watching your nails being done. 1 hour 58 minutes left. Miss Teresa say thank you, Emily. Okay, relax your hand. Thank you, Emily. She's okay if I give her some like music to listen and she'd be fine. But we're like, I know, but we gonna listen to the music later.
We was met back in Gallenberg, and we was about to do a class in her nail net. Not sure it makes sense.
I'm just going really clean on the cuticles, so then that way, because her finger is so tiny little. You can put some music on. Yeah, I don't mind too. I think, but if Instagram's okay, live ask, but Facebook, if they got listen to some music with copyrights, they won't let our live stream going. Like any live stream, people, if you're using a background like music, they will not let, and then everybody can like watch it because they will not let us to do the live. I think sometimes. You just mute. You just mute. Like I think it's for all any other lights the same thing too. So like, sometimes you see people put the videos on and make sure that you get the. Emily probably like K-pop. Emily like K-pop?
No, I like K-pop music.
Okay, so
Isabella does.
Isabella does like K-pop music. I'm gonna buff it now. Buff it down. Oh, I'm fire good these nails. I am using Koopa Mini Koopa. I'm gonna show you. I'm using Mini Passport. And this is I gotten like maybe a couple years ago. Like I have several of them, and one is this one is Phantoms. I think the is the Mini Cooper Passport. Roy Free Elevators music is allowed. Right. You are right, Mijane. Okay, so I'm gonna spray her nails with alcohol to just clean it instead of send her to wash her hands. Emily, can I? She's like, can I get listen? She's like you like what? Adele? You would listen to Adele's?
No, I listen to
Shaman? Who's Shaman? Huh? Who?
Shawn Mendes.
No.
Shawn Mendes.
Shawn Mendes. Oh.
Shawn Mendes.
Okay.
He not a shaman. He don't do magic.
Okay, now we have like how we're talking now. All right, good.
Done.
Done.
Thank
Okay,
God. I'm
everybody,
leaving.
thank you for watching. Just kidding. The result is like done. Okay, so it's really cool. So I'm gonna do crystal placements on this one, but before that, I'm gonna put the
What?
no wipe chocolate on. Oh, Shawn Mendes, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she just got it now.
No, because Foxy told me.
No, it's with a W.
Oh,
It's not you.
It's okay.
it's okay.
You get it.
So I'm gonna go and like I did actually on the other nails I did the foil, the completely foil, but then by the time I put the crystal on it, it's like you don't see it anymore. So okay, here I'm gonna do all this too. But I'm gonna dress one nails up really beautiful. I'm so in love with this one. Touch of colors. Emily, like so simple girl. She's like different from Isabella. Isabella so bougie and fancy. Isabella like would do everything. Would work hard and then getting all her nails fancy, her makeup, her bougie and stuff. Emily like, it's okay. Give me a book, I'm fine with that. My nails can be really like simple. Isabella will work hard and then save money and get her nails done. Emily like, yeah, she's like do all the chores and so she can get her nails done. And she know how expensive it is, so she had to pay for it. Yeah, she paid for it. Okay, now Emily, you're gonna cure your nails for
60.
no, actually, yeah, 60 seconds, please. Thank you so much, Miss Morandi. Keja Thomas. Keja, what do you like?